Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a new blog post or a blog site for your HubSpot account from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you have your HubSpot account set up and that you're logged in to the dashboard, which is what you're seeing right now. So the idea here is once you guys are here, you would want to navigate to the top left corner of the screen till you see the tab that says marketing. So there's contacts, conversations, and marketing. Now you want to click on this drop down right here. And from the selection, you'd want to choose content. And you'll see another drop down where you have two options being website pages and blog posts. Now the one that you want to opt for here is obviously blog. So we're going to click on it like so and actually create one from scratch. Now, HubSpot should take you to this page right here where you get to choose whether you want the help of AI to generate content for your blog or you could do one from scratch. So I'm going to do one from scratch because I actually want to have full control of the content of my blog posts. So I'm going to click on that. And it should take you to the blog post builder right here. Now here you get to fully configure what you want your blog to look like on the visitor's end. So you could have social handles here like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, or simply your email. You could add a title here. So we could do core dynamics analysis. You could add text here. You could add new elements like an image, for example. So there's themes, text, design, like tabbed cards, tabs, so on and so forth, body content. Media is where we actually get to add an image grid or a slider for people to view our blog or get a better idea of what we're showing them or trying to tell them rather. And once you guys have made your changes and your selections and you're satisfied, simply hit save and you guys are done. You've successfully created a blog post using HubSpot. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.